Hey everyone, it's Ish Gaming here. Today we're talking about dual monitors, the secret weapon for productivity and a better computer experience. Ever get frustrated constantly switching between windows? With two screens, those days are gone. Imagine this, you're writing an email on one screen while browsing the web on the other. No more tab overload, no more wasted time. Dual monitors are like having an extra desk for your digital world. You can have multiple applications open side by side, making it super easy to multitask. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to get things done faster, dual monitors are a game changer. But it's not just about productivity. Dual monitors can also enhance your entertainment experience. Picture this, you're gaming on one screen and have a walkthrough guide open on the other. Or, you're watching a movie on one screen and scrolling through social media on the other. The possibilities are endless. Ready to upgrade your setup? Let's dive into the gear you'll need. Before we start plugging things in, let's make sure you have everything you need. First up, you'll need two monitors. Seems obvious, right? You can use two of the same monitor, or mix and match different sizes and resolutions. It all depends on your needs and preferences. Next, you'll need cables to connect your monitors to your computer. Most monitors use either HDMI or DisplayPort cables. Make sure your computer has the right ports to support two monitors. If not, don't worry. You can usually find adapters online or at your local electronics store. Now let's talk about your graphics card. This is the component in your computer that sends images to your monitors. Most modern computers have graphics cards that can handle two monitors. To be sure, check your computer's specifications or do a quick Google search. Finally, ensure your power supply can handle the extra load of a second monitor. If you're not sure, it's always best to err on the side of caution and get a more powerful one. Got all your gear? Awesome! Let's move on to the fun part, connecting everything. Alright, time to get our hands dirty. First, connect your first monitor to your computer's graphics card, using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Make sure the cable is securely plugged in on both ends. Next, power on your monitor. You should see your computer's desktop displayed on the screen. If not, double-check the cable connection or try a different port on your graphics card. Once you've confirmed that the first monitor is working correctly, it's time to connect the second monitor. Connect it to a different port on your graphics card using another HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Now power on your second monitor. You should now see your desktop extended across both screens. If not, don't panic. We'll configure the display settings in the next step. With both monitors connected and powered on, it's time to fine-tune your setup. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Here you can adjust the resolution, orientation and scaling of each monitor to your liking. You can also choose whether you want your desktop to be mirrored or extended across both screens. Experiment with different arrangements until you find what works best. For example, you might want your primary monitor in front of you and your secondary monitor off to the side. Or, you might prefer a vertical orientation for one of your monitors if you're working with long documents or code. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a dual monitor system. You're now well on your way to a more productive and enjoyable computing experience. Happy multitasking.